Hello guys, welcome to my video. This is Marlon Carter again, and I just wanted to show you some proof that this system, Power Lead system, is working, and show you that it's not just something put out there to grab money from people, to break people of their bank account or whatever. This is a legit marketing system, and it is a legit business. And I'm going to go over here to show you some proof on how that is working for me. I just got a gold member has arrived today. So, this was referred by someone else. But because they are not a gold member, they're not an affiliate or a gold member, they did not get the commission off of that member that joined up or upgraded to gold membership. So guys, if you are in Lead Lightning is the beginning part of the Power Lead system. Once you get in Lead Lightning, you start promoting, and you start making those $6 out of every $7 a person spend to sign up into Lead Lightning under you. Then as soon as you can, upgrade to the gold membership of Power Lead system. It cannot do anything but benefit you more and more. And you have to put your links out there. You have to start building a list that will be able to receive your information and your proof about how the Power Lead system is benefiting you in your income, and how you're building a list, a contact list, so people can see what you're promoting. And you have to just give this proof to people to let them know that this is not a scam. It really works. And I got a little money today on the board, $43. That'll work. I can buy me some more traffic. The key to promoting anything online is to generate traffic. Traffic, and more traffic. And the way you get started with the Power Lead system, you can join up with the Power Lead system, but we ask everybody to start at wherever they can start. And we promote the broke man's plan, and my mentor Rob Fraser implemented this plan, and this is what we go by. So I'm just going to show you how to get started. If your money is low, if you're striving to build your bank account, let's get you started on the low side, and then you can upgrade to the gold membership later on. I'm going to log out of here. I bought a Lead Lightning account from myself, and it cost me $7. And guess what? I got paid $6 from buying it from myself. So I didn't pay anything but $1 to get an example page just for you guys, so you can see how this thing works. I'm going to log in. So you can see the beginning part of Lead Lightning. This is Lead Lightning. You spend $7 to join. And I want to show you another site called My Paying Ad. And this is what you do. You join Lead Lightning for $7. And what you're going to do is take the link out of Lead Lightning. You're going to take your Lead Lightning and put it inside of My Paying Ads. My Paying Ads is a rev sharing program. You can put your business inside of there and click 10 sites a day, so you can qualify to get paid on the money you spend, because you don't have to. Inside of My Paying Ads, they have what you call ad packs. You buy ad packs, and you're going to gain percentage off of that ad pack as it goes, or as it grows. All you have to do is spend $5 a week. And we ask you to do that. And once you get up to 25, you start making $25 a day, take out $50 a week to buy more traffic so that you can start making more money with your lead lightning and your power and your paying ad off your ad packs, and so that you can upgrade into the power lead system. That's all it takes. Lead lightning to start with. You get your 2 links. You're going to promote referral link A, which will promote lead lightning. And if you with a primary business already, you can promote referral link B, which will promote lead lightning and your primary business. And your primary business will go right here. But the main focus for today on this video is to show you that it is working for me. And I want you to know, once you get started with lead lightning, don't hesitate to upgrade to the power lead system. You're going to get all the training you need to promote your business, and where to promote your business and everything. You get your promotional tools, you get your banners, you get your ad swipes. You know, ad swipes is what you will use for solo ads or safe lists or whatever. But this is a good way to get started. $7 one-time fee with lead lightning, and $5 into my paying ad. That's $12 to start business online. Click on the link below and you will see my link to get started. You can click on my link, put in your email address, and you start receiving information on how you can get started into making money online. Let me show you one more thing before I go. I'm going to show that growing a list is important, and this is the way I am getting signups in my business. Let me see. All these are leads that I have accumulated. There's a lead lightning sign up right there. There's a lead lightning sign up right there. A lead lightning sign up right there. I got a diamond member arrive right here. I got a gold member arrive right here. So you can see that it is working. It is working. I am making money. And a lot of people doubt making money online, thinking everything is a scam. I'm here to show you proof. All these are leads that I generated in the first start of November, and I do it when I can. You might not can buy solo ads every week. You might not can buy traffic every week, but do it when you can, and you will see the progress, and you will start getting your $6 members and your diamond members and your gold members, and they'll come. They will come if you do the simple steps of signing up with lead lightning, then sign up to get your my paying ad account. And this is the way you will promote lead lightning. When people start signing up with lead lightning and your money start growing in my paying ads, you will be able after a while to get you a gold membership with the power lead system, and then you will get sign ups and pass ups for yourself, and you will start making money online from your own home sweet home. This is Marlon Carter. Click on the link below. If you're not at YouTube, in the bottom of this video in the right hand corner, you'll see a YouTube tab. Excuse me. And click on it. It will take you to YouTube. And in the description of the video below in YouTube, you will find my link, cartercareers.com. Sign up to get more information on how to get started. You all have a good day or night. This is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Bye-bye.